Memory refers to the processes that are used to acquire, store, retain, and later retrieve information. The study of human memory has been a subject of science and philosophy for thousands of years and has become one of the major topics within cognitive psychology. The two types of memory are short-term memory and long-term memory, which we will discuss in this video.
Long-term memory refers to the continuing storage of information. Through the process of association and rehearsal, the content of short-term memory can become long-term memory. Long-term memories can last for a matter of days or as long as many decades. Long-term memory is separated into two types of memory, explicit and implicit.
Explicit memory is memory of facts and events that can be consciously recalled or declared, and it is often also known as declarative memory. It consists of information that is explicitly stored and retrieved. Explicit memory can be subdivided into episodic memory, which deals with recall of personal events, and semantic memory, which deals with recall of factual information.
What is the capital of New Jersey?
Trenton.
Who was the first president of the United States of America?
George Washington.
How many states are in the U.S.?
50.
What color are strawberries?
Red.
How many fingers are on each hand?
5.
How many letters are there in the alphabet?
26. What time did you go to sleep last night?
Midnight.
What did you do today?
I went to school and then worked on my psych project.
How old were you when you had your first pet?
6 months old.
What did you have for dinner last night?
Turkey with mashed potatoes and stuffing.
What did you have for breakfast today?
I had a bowl of cereal.
What's the last movie you saw?
The Boondock Saints. Implicit memory is the unconscious memory of skills and how to do things, particularly the use of objects or movements of the body. These memories are obtained through repetition and practice, so they are engraved in our memories that we are no longer aware of them. When learned, these body memories allow us to carry out ordinary motor actions more or less automatically. Implicit memory is subdivided into procedural memory, which deals with learned skills, and emotional memory that deals with emotional cues in our environment.
Short-term memory is the information we are currently aware of or thinking about. The information found in short-term memory comes from paying attention to sensory memories. Short-term is responsible for storing information temporarily and determining whether it will be dismissed or transferred onto long-term memory. The prefrontal cortex at the front of the brain appears to play a fundamental role in our working memory. Chunking is a grouping organization of information so it fits into meaningful units. By chunking words into sentences or sentence fragments, we can process an even greater amount of information in short-term memory. Short-term memories are fleeting and generally only last a matter of seconds. When we use rote rehearsal, we repeat information over and over again, silently or out loud, until we remember it. This is not the most effective way to remember information permanently, but it can be very effective for a short time.
An object in motion will stay in motion until an outside force acts upon it. An object in motion will stay in motion until an outside force acts upon it. An object in motion will stay in motion until an outside force acts upon it. An object in motion will stay in motion until it's upon it.